Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So in this video I will show you two different methods to take the screenshot. The first one, press and hold the volume up button and the power button. You can see the screenshot is captured. So this is the simplest method, the first method. And the next one, using the assistive touch, we can take the screenshot. Simply go to settings, tap on the option accessibility. Now here you can see the option touch. Tap on this one. Tap on assistive touch. Turn on this one. Now after this one we have to customize the action. We can customize single tap or double tap or long press. So here I am going to tap on the option long press. Now for the long press, from here you have to select the action screenshot. Select this one. Now go back. So here you can see the assistive touch. Press and hold the assistive touch. You can see the screenshot is captured. You can see. Otherwise you can select the single tap, and for the single tap you can select the action screenshot. Just tap on the option assistive touch. Simply the screenshot is captured. So in these two methods you can take the screenshot on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.